What is the process of manufacturing our key products? At Overton, everything starts with a conversation. There's an internal kickoff that we do in our team, so we make sure that we're providing exactly what you're looking for and get to your end game. The internal design review is also another key process where we go through all of the steps that we need to do to get your design just right. Then we move to where we have your design approval as the customer. We have those regular cadence updates during the process of the build. There's internal runoffs where we're coming in and we're going to show you exactly how the machine is running. Then we're going to take it to your floor and we're going to do an internal runoff at your facility. And it's all about install and commissioning at the end and providing that after support and service, because anyone that's bought a custom machine knows problems are going to arise and it's how you deal with those problems. And it's all about communication all along the way, from kickoff all the way to support and service at the end of a project.